Good morning. I am Kavita Manohar, MPhil scholar, Department of Sociology, Sri Shankaracharya University of Sanskrit Kaladi, Kerala. I am very happy and proud to be part of this international webinar on Kandajian narrative, society, ecology, and culture of Global South, organized by Vellore Institute of Technology. Title of my paper is Change in Attitude Towards Life in the Period of COVID-19 Pandemic, an analysis based on Sri K.P. Ramanunni's short story, Sharira Duram. Now I will share my screen. Okay. The short story titled Sharira Duram, written by K.P. Ramanunni, who won Kendra Sahitya Akademi Award and all in Madhrubhumi Weekly, got widespread appreciation from readers and critics. The title Sharira Duram, meaning physical distance, itself symbolizes the social distancing, which is an important etiquette suggested to be followed during COVID-19 outbreak. The short story revolves in the background of COVID-19 and it talks about wide-ranging changes this pandemic has brought into the attitude of people in personal and social life. I have divided the entire presentation into 12 parts. Now I will begin with the very first one, that is expression of love. Being emotional in public is stereotyped as a feminine gender role. Raman Nambudri was very fond of his son and his behavior dissolves in emotions. But Raman Nambudri's wife and her family are not interested in any such expression of emotions. In the short story, there is a line that says, Sudevan's interest was not with the attachments of his father, but with the majestic separations of his mother and maternal uncle. In this way, Sudevan was utterly indifferent to expression of emotion and learned to tie life with rationality alone. The very first memory depicted in the short story is a situation in which Raman Nambudri, who visits London as part of the tour package, had to return without meeting his son settled there. Later, he returned home and diagnosed with COVID-19. It is a situation that the son feels guilty for not showing love to his father for so long and for not spending some time with him lovingly. Men is expected to be rough, tough, logical, rational, is a gender stereotype. This gender segregated behavior with regard to expression of emotion is questioned throughout the short story in the background of COVID-19. It ends with the importance of expression of emotion in life. This pandemic enabled us to revise our priorities with emphasis on expression of emotions. Love, the most intimate of emotions, is to be manifested. An open expression of love is not a weakness, but actual strength of mind. This is the important lesson the story actually teaches the readers. And then the priorities in life. The character of mother in the short story is devoid of emotion, has the charm of an innovative concept. His mother used to remind Sudevan that even at the time of her death, there is no need to spend much days of his busy life at home for her cremation ceremonies. Later, Sudevan's mother died before Raman Nambudri. On the day of his mother's cremational rituals after ceremonial rituals after cremation, Sudevan installed the video call facility, calling bell facility, and music system in his father's room at home in Kerala. Only after the death of his father, Sudevan realizes that love is not the second priority in life. Next one is depth of relationships. The short story was published in 2020 May. It is a time when COVID-19 pandemic starts spreading in alarming proportions in Italy, Spain, France, London, and all. With complete uncertainty that flights could be cancelled at any moment, Sudevan has made his father's wish a priority for the first time ever on his list. But like the delayed justice, we can see that consideration become a paradox. Before COVID-19 outbreak, life was characterized by busy schedule on work, education, business, etc. But now it got changed. And Sudevan Nambudri used to calculate everything on monetary terms and does not like to share time for relationship. But he later realizes the relationships are valuable, which is not measurable in terms of money and all. This enlightened notion of unfathomable depth of relationship in life is revealed with the death of dear and near ones immediately due to this pandemic. Next one is internalizing the basic life values. When someone sincerely wants to be with us and ask for our time, we need to listen to them. It is also the basic life value to be maintained. Otherwise, one day there will be no one to listen to us. And COVID-19 also teaches that this recognition should no longer be forgotten. Otherwise, life will be filled with guilt and remorse. And Sudevan internalized the basic value of life only after his father's death. Next one is life is not only about gaining, but also giving up. Sudevan grew up enjoying all the privileges like caste, wealth, and social status. Naturally, he occupied high seats in education and work. He quickly passed all the intellectual tests uh, after attending them. Then, after his wedding, without losing any of his privileges, he continued to triumph in his new company. He forgot that life is not only filled with the charm of gaining, but also giving up. And the spiritual notion became very relevant in the era of pandemic. Next one is COVID, the period of vigilance, not fear. Cancellation of many flights, the airport in which Sudevan comes was almost desolated. On the way to the terminal, Sudevan feels that he is actually coming from a graveyard. With fear, he runs to the immigration counter and security check. This description clearly symbolizes the world trembled with COVID-19 virus. There was a display like no abuse, no fear, and no violence at the immigration counter. We know that the vigilance that was not followed when COVID-19 erupted in Wuhan, China, was actually paralyzed the world today. And COVID gives the assurance that vigilance is need of hour. Next one is sensitivity of life. When Sudevan arrives home to visit his father, who is infected with COVID-19, he finds himself that those new technological devices were not even unpacked. The story gives the impression that material things and technology are important in life, but there are also things in life that are beyond material. It is impossible to equate material things and the proximity a person can offer in life. Rationality and technology are key components of modernity, but they often tend to make life often dry and insensitive. Similar to the concern of Frankfurt School of Critical Theorists, consequence of technology-driven and rationally oriented behavior is clearly critiqued in the short story. Next one is realizing the real meaning. Raman Nambudiri was unable to see his son when he arrived in UK as part of a tour package to see his son. So Devan says that cancelling overseas meeting to see his father is a risk. Later, Sudevan enters the quarantine as part of the direction of the Health Department of Government of Kerala after reaching his ancestral home. Then he comes to see his father, who is hospitalized due to COVID-19. But the doctor refuses Sudevan a chance to see his father. Then only Sudevan realizes the true meaning of the word risk, and the context is highly relatable. Next one is value of humanity. Sudevan justifies his post-marriage relocation to London by his association with Britishers and the Aikote Nambudiri house in the past. As per the history, Aikote Nambudiri was given the right of tax collection of Arikod Manjeri area by Kozhikode Tukdi Saif, the British head of that time. And Sudevan reminds the glory of the British and the British ancestry of his grandparents with great pride. Due to COVID-19 spread, the companies that Sudevan valued so much had collapsed later. Then senior techies resigned. Then Sudevan sees the series of grandparents who served to Union Jack rulers in past, and the new British citizens who become president and managers of his company are all ordinary people. Sudevan finally realizes all the human beings are helpless during COVID-19 without any of the privileges. And COVID-19 virus consider all humans as a body to be attacked, that is a mere body to be attacked and dominated. Virus do not differentiate between humans on the basis of caste, creed, color, religion, or any other social stratifications. It made humans aware of the uselessness in maintaining supremacy in caste, religion, and all. Next one is transient nature of vanities of the world. The global divide in terms of development between North and South is a social fact. But the subordination shown by the global South towards a developed West upper class society is totally disrupted with this pandemic. The economic system of the developed world, which dominated everything, had stopped working now. To be precise, the story reveals the transient nature of vanities of the world. Happiness is in the moment. We know that and we realize that meetings that we left out before COVID-19 should not have been in the name of fresh. All the cancellation was based on the thought that life can be so long. COVID-19 reminds us that life is to be lived in this moment and must not put aside. It taught us that we have to celebrate each and every moment of life and it is not to be postponed. Next one is period of social distancing. The World Health Organization says that physical distance is the new normal. And Sudevan realizes that he and his father was always lived in another section of distance even before COVID-19 protocol. Finally, Sudevan watches the cremation ceremony through the video. When he sees rituals at the head part of the body from a distance, he remembers once again the importance of proximity with the loved ones in life. To conclude, the short story says that love is about sharing time. It is an experience. That experience is the color of life. Not having experienced this for so long is a guilt that COVID-19 actually gives to humans. COVID-19 corrects the conviction that expressing emotion is powerless. It conveys the need to show love and emotion to the dear and near ones. The greatest thing that human can do is to let people know that they are loved. The short story is to be analyzed from multiple levels with close observation, and many societal manifestation based on unequal privileges is being critiqued in the short story indirectly through the situation created by the pandemic. The stereotyped male-female gender roles, domination of rational technical life over emotional and sensitive engagements, inequality between humans evolved through centuries, unworthiness of accumulated money, pride, and other so-called superior elements are all questioned within the personal and social life of people in the background of COVID-19. The short story gives us many insights that humans got during this tedious period of COVID-19 all over the world, which is to be read and analyzed in deep manner. These kind of literary works depicting pandemic life lessons can contribute a lot in understanding the spiritual and metaphysical values of life, which is actually neglected in the old normal situations. So the Kandaji narratives and its analysis are highly important. And thus, the short story Sharira Duram opens up a new realm of realizations for the whole mankind, and COVID-19 acts as a precondition for new enlightened era for us. Thank you.